What if one single software could handle modeling, engineering, fabrication, and detailing of electrical substations and transmission towers all in one seamless environment? That future is here. Introducing VTS, Virtual Tower Structures. VTS is a next-generation digital platform streamlining the entire workflow, from concept to fabrication through an integrated model-based environment that replaces traditional fragmented processes. It delivers the most advanced integrated environment based on a simple operational framework. It unifies every step, from advanced structural analysis and connection design to shop drawings and NC file generation, all in one single software. The first phase delivers fast parametric modeling, with automated geometry, bracing, joints, and connections. The engineering phase delivers advanced structural analysis and design for substations and transmission towers fully compliant with North American standards. VTS offers powerful analysis capabilities with automated calculations of critical environmental loads such as wind pressure, drag coefficients, and more. Gain deeper insights into structural behavior with dynamic animation analysis tools. And with a single click, seamlessly transition to the fabrication phase while maintaining complete model data integrity. VTS generates advanced fabrication models where connections automatically place themselves with complete flexibility over components such as bolts, welds, splices, gussets, and overlaps. Generate rigid connections, diaphragms, cap plates, base plates, and step bolts in a seamless way with advanced editing tools. Apply machining operations such as cuts, copes, clips, notches, and custom openings with ease. Create block libraries by saving groups of custom objects, bolts, holes, and welds as reusable components, ensuring consistency and efficiency across projects. Take advantage of the clash detection feature to identify design conflicts early, detecting and resolving interferences between members, connections, and custom objects. The result: smart fabrication models that are accurate, consistent, and build-ready. In the detailing phase, VTS transforms your model into clear deliverables. Start by generating accurate bills of material that capture quantities, weights, and specifications. From there, create shop and assembly drawings with marks, views, and piece details, and move seamlessly into 2D and 3D engineering drawings or CNC-ready files. All deliverables can be exported directly to AutoCAD, CNC, and IFC, without additional steps. At Safi Structural Software, innovation has been our foundation since 1986. With our users in mind, we set out to create a better solution, and that vision led to the Virtual Tower Structures breakthrough technology. It's time to unify your workflow. Transform your electrical substations and transmission towers projects to design smarter and build faster. Ready to get started? Contact our team or visit our website at www.safi.com for more information.